Hi, this is John G4IRN, and in this video we're going to show you how to do a first-time installation of DXlog.net, the logging program we're going to use, and also how to log your first QSO. So first of all, to install, go to the DXlog.net website, which is DXlog.net. Yeah, and once you're there, go to the download link here, and you'll see one of the links there is the latest MSI installation file. Install that. Of course, I've done this earlier, so I'll close that, and once you have installed it, you'll get two icons. The DXlog.net cluster is a cluster client program. It's handy for multiple cluster connections. Come back to that in a more advanced lesson. The main program can connect to a DX cluster on its own, so we use that. Click on that to enter it, and you'll come to a blank screen. So what we want is we will create a new contest file. Unlike N1MM, each contest file is separate. It's not part of a database or anything. They're each separate contest files. So we'll do new, and this is the contest configuration screen. This is where you define your contest. So first of all, call sign and grid square that you're going to be operating from. I think these are optional actually, but for completeness we're in G, CQ zone 14, ITU zone 27. The contact information here is optional because you can always complete it in the EDI file or ADIF Cabrillo file at the end of the contest, but the contest type and category is important. In here there's a whole host of different contests at HF and VHF. For say for the RSGB 2 meter contest, it's the same as the IARU Region 1 contest. It's concurrent to it, so we select that. We're going to be multi-operator. We're going to be portable. We don't need an overlay, I don't think. We're going to be high power, mixed mode. Operator name, you can leave that blank. Power, probably 1,000. Operators, again optional. If you fill this in, those call signs will appear in the drop-down list when you do operator logon. So I'll put my call sign in there for now, and maybe a couple of others that may be operating. Just separate them with a comma, and then I should put all of these in. There we go, and then press OK. And select a file name. I'm going to overwrite this file that I created earlier, and the log file will be created. I'm getting a couple of errors here because of a previous config, but for now let's just close any windows that are already there, because without those windows, this is the basic DXlog. What we've got is a logging line. And once you're connected to a radio, and we'll do that in the next video, you can change the frequency of the radio from the logging line. You can change the mode. If you're doing multiple bands, not in this case, you can QSY to different bands. But this is where you log a call sign. So we've called CQ, someone calls me, I type in the call sign, G4PIQ, you can see it automatically guesses the exchange from the exchange file that we've preloaded into DXlog. And you can use the space bar to go between the logged call sign, the received serial number, and the grid. If the grid is wrong, you can simply overtype it. I've pressed space bar there to revert it back. So when it's done, you can press enter. If though the sent RST or received RST needs changing, you can use tab to go between the QSO details. So spacebar is your quick one, tab is the detail one. When it's all in there, press enter, and you can just literally log call signs by entering them, and you can see the log building up there. In a later video we'll show how to edit previous QSOs in the log. Thanks.